Nice one, guys. So basically, I got 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger, and I'm gonna just add it right here inside of this cup, right here, guys. Now, with ginger is amazing. It got a lot of health benefit. I want to encourage you guys to try this one at home. All right. Then we're gonna pour some boiling water from my kettle to it. Simple like this. All right. Once you put the water to it, cover it and leave it for at least 4 to 5 seconds. Once it dissolves into the water, remove it and drink it. Beautiful one for you guys. Stay tuned for more tips.